What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, before I dive into that, I just want to briefly update you in regards to Hurricane Milton. Like I said, I do live in Florida. We did see Hurricane Ian, and it's predicted that Hurricane Milton is going to make landfall somewhere between Sarasota and Tampa around, probably midnight tonight, if not around between midnight and maybe 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning Thursday, tomorrow morning. So it's just a bad, weird time for this to make landfall, but we're already starting to experience winds, maybe 10 miles an hour, 15 miles an hour gusts every now and then here. No rain. It's just very eerie. It's very cool. And it's typically not like Florida to be cool. And then you add the winds and it's going to be picking up. I mean, we're expected to see 100 plus if not, we're getting gusts close to 200 miles per hour. I don't know if that'll be here, but definitely closer to Sarasota, which is literally insane. Like, that'll throw someone. So it's going to be interesting. Ideally, if I was to lose power, it would probably be tonight into tomorrow morning. Maybe around that or starting tomorrow morning throughout that day. That's when I would lose power. So I might not be able to get a video out for tomorrow. So this might be the last one. I don't know. Just updating you guys. Hopefully we'll get it back. Just like Ian last time, we didn't lose cellular. So I was able to get a video out to update you guys come like Friday. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted on that, but just wanted to update you. Anywho, today's episode, we are going to be looking at XRP. A lot of these cryptocurrencies have pretty much confirmed my thought here with the way we've been moving, specifically XRP and a lot of these others. You can see we've pretty much narrowed down a pretty solid ascending fractal forming on XRP, which looks really nice here, but we're also going to be looking at Solana in a symmetrical triangle, Ethereum, which has a descending fractal, and Bitcoin, which has a beautiful bull flag formation here, pretty much confirmed 100%, especially with the correction over the past couple of days, this downtrend here, we've confirmed like this major downtrend. So I'm excited to see the results of a lot of these cryptos. They all, for the most part, are textbook bullish, which is a good sign, but we'll see if it actually comes true. Anywho, with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis, remember BitFi is doing a $300 bonus, a free cryptocurrency that you guys can claim with the link down in the description below. Like I said, free to sign up. You'll get a $50 reward for signing up, $50 for depositing, $100 for trading, and another $100 for KYC. A lot of those are pretty much free in regards to receive or redeem here. You would have to deposit money for the deposit bonus, but obviously you don't have to trade with that bonus. You could just get the bonus and then withdraw the deposit after and you'd be good to go. That's definitely an option here. Super easy to do. It's a great way to just accumulate that bonus money and then you can just trade around with that. So more information about BitFi will be later on in the episode here, but yesterday I put out a video basically talking about this will be pretty crazy when we do see that break. And I just now noticed that I literally spelt this wrong. So that's annoying. I'll change that later. But yeah, we've pretty much discovered this kind of bull flag formation here. You can see with XRP, the descending fractal, with Bitcoin in 2 days ago. And then as of today or yesterday, we have this descending fractal pretty much confirmed for this bull flag breakout to take place here. Now, moving forward into today's video here, you can see we do have an ascending fractal. Let's see if I can even type that in, whether that even populates here. It's some sort of ascending fractal. Let's do crypto, if it populates at all, or yeah, something along the lines of this is what we're seeing, some sort of ascending movement upwards. Now these do, like I said, typically break down. How we enter is typically how we exit, but there's always those chances that we could be breaking up. Granted, this was down into it. It's really up in the air, but you can see here, this existing downtrend is typically how we exit the candle on XRP, but I am, throwing it a bias. We can at least hope that we're going to be breaking out of it, but it's definitely not 100% by any means here. Like I said, we broke down into it here, and these typically, how they enter is how they exit. So I wouldn't be surprised. I would almost put I would lean more towards a bearish break on something like XRP than a reversal out of it. Now, the only thing that holds hope that XRP could see movement out of this and to the upside would be the beautiful symmetrical triangle that we're starting to see here. You can see on XRP, we have this beautiful, massive symmetrical triangle, and typically each time we hit this bottom support here, they usually result in a reversal rally to the upside. So we are hoping that that is what we see take place here, but it's 100% not certain. You got to keep in mind we're inside a major descending fractal on the weekly charts, bull flag, descending fractal, whatever you want to call it. And to break through this to fall lower is a big possibility. I mean, the weekly charts hold more strength than the daily and the hourly here, so I would more than likely suspect correction down here by any means, and then possibly see that correction to the upside. So, I mean, as for XRP, we're definitely not going to stay here for long, which is kind of eerie if you ask me. You can already see the consolidation, the sideways movement. Last time we saw that we broke up. This time it could be a breakdown. I don't know. I don't think anybody's going to know. All I do know is we will experience a big volume spike. Whether that's rejection or removal or it's injection into the markets, we don't know. But something is for sure coming for XRP, and you better be prepared for it. It'll be simple. We break through this floor here, we'll short. We break through the ceiling, we'll long. I mean, it's that simple. Reference the yellow and the blue. That'll be the opportunity here, and focus more on like the daily charts. That'll be that opportunity. Now, when that does decide to break here, we'll take advantage of it on BitFi. BitFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. As I've said numerous times in the past here, BitFi offers multiple ways for you to earn bonus money here, aside from the $300 promo that they're doing this month. If you go to Welcome Rewards, you'll be able to earn a bunch of extra crypto too. But the reason I like BitFi so much is they have XRP to leverage trade, which I'm pulling up right now. And you can create stop limit orders, take profits, stop losses, reduce only. You could do trailing stop losses, which is awesome. But on top of that, they have a way for you to earn over 2K in rewards by completing simple free tasks. School to FA, first deposit, feedback can earn you 5K, like tons of free, easy rewards. Then they have a demo account for XRP for you guys to practice leverage trading XRP on here. And obviously, I've had people comment, oh, what about risk? You don't reference risk with leverage trading. That's true. If you trade your own money, there is risk involved in that, obviously. But the perk is when you use demo money, there is no risk. The only risk you have is losing your demo money. For example, go over to USTM. You can see in my USDT wallet, if I go over to Bonus Wallet, I have $100, $130 in free bonus wallet, in free bonus money. And I can leverage this, let's say 20 times. And now I have the buying power of $2,500, which is free. This is BitFi's money to use as leverage trading. So think about that. A little goes a long way. $300 might not sound like a lot, but when you 20x it, 10x it here, that's a big difference. So keep that in mind. That's like 6K in trading bonus. So consider that here. Anywho, moving forward from BitFi onto XRP, onto Solana and these other cryptos here, you can see the consolidation that's starting to take place. Now this is on Solana's 4-hour. I'm going to jump to the daily here. You can see that we are inside this big symmetrical triangle. There's like this big flag up. You can see like this. And then we start this symmetrical triangle, this downtrend. We're filling in this gap quite nicely here. A lot of these cryptos, like we have the technical indicators, but we don't know, and we have like an end date for the most part here, but we don't know which way we're going to be breaking. Now, typically we do have signs of which, textbook wise, like symmetrical triangles usually break bullish, and we could say that here, but there's nothing certain or sound just yet that would confirm any sort of movements with a lot of these cryptos. We're pretty much sitting ducks for a long time on something like Solana and XRP. However, Ethereum and Bitcoin show different technical indicators. Like Ethereum here, which is awesome, has a massive descending fractal, and these almost always break out, which is huge. Ideally, what we want to see is a break above this green band and specifically moving average. We get above that, it could just set the sail for rallies to the upside here, eventually retesting all-time highs that we hit, or we can hit 2024's high in the market here. We just really need to get back above that moving average, and then we can start catching up or play catching up here. Same thing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I mean, this was epic. The fact that we saw this is insane. I mean, if we jump to the weekly, you can see how clear it is. It's a beautiful flag pull up, lower high, lower low pattern. This inevitably has bullish tendencies here. And what we are looking for is closure of a weekly candle above major price ceiling up top here. And then we can expect an explosion to take place. And that's what I'm most excited for. Pretty much across the board for all these cryptocurrencies is the Bitcoin prediction here. This is a huge, and I mean a huge bullish descending fractal here. And if this breaks up, I mean, it could easily pump us over $100,000. I mean, easily here. So this is a huge, beautiful bonus opportunity that I am very excited for. But with that being said, guys, wish me luck, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.